Friends, we are here in Diego Martin by Waterwheel Road, and I came across this. There is so much garbage in Trinidad, but this is one of the worst places I have seen it. This is just spread out on the road. It's not even like in one corner or one place, it's just everywhere. Halfway into the road as well. Tires, black bags, blue bags, plants, refuse of all kind. And the irony of it is that there's a big sign saying do not litter, and then it says the fine and stuff that could be incurred by littering. It seems like nobody really cared about that because the litter, the trash, the garbage is all over. And it looks like it's been here for quite a while, so I don't know why anybody's picking it up. But here's the thing that's most distressing. I just came from creating a video about the River Estate Waterwheel, which is supposed to be a tourist attraction. And this road is actually diagonally opposite to it. There's the Waterwheel. That's where people are supposed to visit, eh? And this road, the North Post Road, which is what you're looking at now, that actually turns into the road opposite to where that trash is. So anybody passing through here will see that. What's going on with Trinidad and all this garbage? Feel free to comment, subscribe, and share your thoughts.